Round 4. This is the Jupe true or false round. At stake in the round is the Jupe money transfer US $20 promo. During the NSMQ season, whenever alumni abroad send money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code, Jupe rewards the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. For this particular contest, Mfantsipim School's promo code is BOCHE, or say to 2 SHSs, or say to 2 one word. And Presbyterian Boys Secondary Schools is PRESEC. So, alumni, over to you. All right, so the true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. Contestants, in this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider it very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case the statement is available to the 2 remaining schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If right, the 2 4 points. If there's a problem, it's not right, there is a penalty, 1 point. Every once in a while, we may have some statements that will require 30 seconds of your time. When that situation arises, I will let you know. Otherwise, it's the usual 10 seconds to present your answers. Best wishes to all 3 schools. Or say to 2, the Benedict's test can be used to detect both monosaccharides and disaccharides containing free aldehyde or free ketone group. Calvin.
True.
You are right. In Mfantsipim School, when Benedict's reagent is added to sucrose, copper 2 ions are converted to copper 1 ions, indicated by a red precipitate. Peter.
False.
Yes. Presbyterian boys, Benedict's reagent can be used to distinguish between glucose and fructose. Yes, Metal?
False.
You're right. The next set comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Indicate whether the given statement is true or false with respect to nalisomy. That's the preamble. All right, so I'll say to 2n plus 1. Calvin?
False.
You're right. In Mfantsipim School, 2n plus 2. Peter?
False.
Yes. Presbyterian boys, 2n minus 1. Yes, Metal?
False.
Yes. It's actually 2n minus 2. All right, next set, short preamble. In the Cartesian xy plane, that's all. In the Cartesian xy plane, I'll say to 2, the region below the line x plus y is equal to 4 is given by x plus y less than 4. Calvin?
True.
Yes. In Mfantsipim School, the region above the line, x minus y is equal to 5, is given by x minus y greater than 5. Peter?
True.
No, that's a false statement. The region below the line 2x plus y is equal to 8 is given by 2x plus y greater than 8. Yes, Metal?
False.
Yes. Next set comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Decay events of a radioisotope are statistical with a probability distribution which yields the leading decay parameters such as half-life and decay constant. The decay of a single radioactive particle is, one more time, okay. Decay events of a radioisotope are statistical with a probability distribution which yields the leading decay parameters such as half-life and decay constant. The decay of a single radioactive particle is, or say to two, a normal process. Kelvin?
True.
No, it's a false statement. In Fansipim School, a uniform process. Peter?
False.
Yes. A linear process. Excel?
False.
Yes. Or say to two, in a multi-step reaction, the rate-determining step is always associated with the highest energy transition state, irrespective of concentration. Kelvin?
False.
No, that's a true statement. In a decomposition reaction, if the rate of the reaction doubles when the concentration of reactant doubles, the overall reaction is first order. Peter?
True.
Yes. Zero-order reactions are relatively rare and typically occur in reactions where reactants are in large excess. Metal?
True.
Yes. The next set comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Indicate whether the following is true or false with respect to the submodality of taste that is sensitive to the pH of saliva. Again, indicate whether the following is true or false with respect to the submodality of taste that is sensitive to the pH of saliva. All right, so I'll say to two, bitter. Aslam?
True.
No. That's a false statement. In Fansipim School, sour. Peter?
False.
No. Sweet. Metal?
False.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Preamble, a short preamble. For a function y is equal to f of x, that's all. For a function y is equal to f of x, or say to two, if the second derivative of y with respect to x is greater than 0, and dy dx is equal to 0 at x equals a, then f of x has a maximum value at the point with coordinates a, f of a. Yes, Calvin?
False.
You are right. If the second derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 0 at x equals a, then f of x has a point of inflection at the point with coordinates a, f of a. Yes, Peter?
True.
You are right. If dy dx is equal to 0, and the second derivative of y with respect to x is less than 0 at x equals a, then f of x has a maximum value at the point with coordinates a, f of a. Excel?
True.
You are right. Last set of statements. Preamble to all schools, preamble. 2 electric charges on the x-axis have position vectors xi and negative xi. That was the preamble. Again, or you got it? Again. 2 electric charges on the x-axis have position vectors xi and negative xi. All right, so now I'll say to 2. The electric field at the origin is a linear superposition of the electric fields generated there by the individual charges. Calvin?
True.
You are right. With the same preamble, the electric energy density at the origin is a linear superposition of the electric energy densities generated there by the individual charges. Yes, Peter?
False.
You're right. Last statement. The electric energy density at the origin is a superposition of the electric energy densities generated there by the individual charges, but the superposition is not linear. Yes, Metal?
True.
You are right. Please clap for them. They understand linear and non-linear superposition. That's the end of the 4th round.